All right, Target earnings are out. Let's get to Becky quick with the numbers. Hi, Becky.
Hey, Joe. Okay, Target is out with its earnings for the third quarter. It looks like the company came in with earnings on an adjusted basis of $1.36. That is well above what the street was expecting. Street was looking for $1.19. Revenue, a little better than the street had been anticipating, $18.7 billion versus the $18.49 billion the street was looking for. You can see the stock is already reacting to this news. It's up by 5.7%, and that's before we even tell you about the full year numbers for this. Full year, the company is now looking for $6.25 to $6.45. The previous guidance had been for $5.90 to $6.25, so that's a pretty big lift on those full year numbers. Street was at $6.18 that they were looking for the full year, so it was at the high end of the guidance that they had previously given. But obviously the guidance is well above that number right now, $6.25 to $6.45. And again, the third quarter numbers, $1.36 versus $1.19. If you look through what was happening there, it sounds like traffic and comp store sales were very strong. Third quarter comp store sales, 4.5% versus the street's estimates of 3.6%. Now, running through some of those things, they say for the third quarter, the comp store sales reflects growth of 2.8% growth in stores and 1.7% point contribution from digital sales. The third quarter comp digital channel sales were up by 31%, and that comes after gains of 49% last year. And maybe what's pretty key in some of this, too, is that same-day fulfillment services, things like order pickup, drive up, and shipped, SHIPT, which is their service that you can go through and get same-day delivery on some of these things, that accounted for 80% of Target's digital comparable sales growth. The traffic was up by 3.1%. They said that was driven by increases in traffic both in stores and in digital channels. Very strong numbers coming in from Target, especially when you compare this with what we heard yesterday from both Home Depot and Kohl's. Home Depot, obviously, the reason that the Dow was down. Home Depot declined yesterday because of what they said. They hadn't seen the gains that they had anticipated from the investments they've been making online. Target is one of those rare retailers where they have seen this pay off. Saw this also with Walmart, but Target right now, shares are up by 7.75%. So some huge numbers, some huge gains that we're seeing based on better than expected numbers for this quarter and raising guidance for the full year as well. Guys, I'll send it back over to you.
Yeah, easily a, let's see, one so in new high territory, isn't it? All time.
Yeah.
I thought this was going to be priced in.
The all-time high was at, what was it, $1.14 and change, or $114 and change.
Yeah, so
yeah,
now,
$114.83, I think, was the all-time high. Where are we right now? $119.50. So that is well above the all-time high that we had seen to date.
Yes.
And a gain of about $8.83 just right now, 8%.